Okay, I shall now introduce you to this what we call the circle command in Autocad. All right, we already finished the line command, so I hope by now everybody understand the many things that we did just now concerning the line command. Okay, so now we shall go to the circle command. Okay, so say for example, I want to draw a circle of a radius, diameter, or maybe passing to 2 point, 3 point, or tangent, tangent radius, or tangent, tangent, tangent. Now, how do you get all this information here to draw this type of line? Basically from here. Okay, on this icon, center radius is this one here. Circle diameter is this one. 2 point is this one. 3 point is this one here. We have 3 point, then we draw a circle. Tangent, tangent radius means tangent to this line, tangent to this line, and then you draw a circle. Tangent, tangent, tangent is 3 lines, and then you want a circle tangent to the 3 lines and is inscribed inside the triangle. Clear now? Okay, so to do this, very straightforward. So let's say for example, I want to draw a circle of radius 20 with these 2 crossing lines that has got the defined center over here. So what I do is, I just do this. Okay, just go to outline here. Just go to circle, center radius. So look at the cursor command. It's asking you specify center point for the circle. I click here. Then it asks you to specify the radius. Just type 20. Got it? Our center line is just simply go to center line here and then just draw a line crossing each other like that. Just like that. Okay. Later on, I will show you one example how to do that. Okay. So now I want to use this to draw a circle of diameter. So how do we do that? Again, I go to the outline layer. I delete this one. I want to draw a circle of diameter 36. So just go to circle, diameter, center is here. Just type 36. So this circle has got diameter 36. How to check whether it's diameter 36? Simply click on this one again, same thing. It'll give you the diameter 36. All right, got it? Okay, how about circle passing to 2 points? Point 1 and point 2. Just delete this. Just go to circle, center, 2 points. Sorry, no center, 2 points. Just pick this point and this point. So meaning these 2 points is actually giving you a line of the diameter of the circle. Correct? Yeah. Okay, how about this one here? 3 points. Okay, again, this is seldom used. You may want to use it at times that you need it. 3 point, 1 point, 2 point, and 3 points, just like that. Okay, how about a circle of radius 18 and tangent to the 2 lines? Just go to circle, tangent, tangent radius. Tangent, you can see a tangent symbol there. Tangent, tangent, and what's the radius? 18. Got it? Tangent, tangent radius. That means you must define the tangent, define the second tangent, and put the value of radius 18. Got it? Yeah. How about this one here? Okay. Circle tangent to the 3 lines. Hardly used. This one hardly used. Just tangent, tangent, tangent. Tangent, tangent, tangent. You'll give you a circle. Got it? Yeah. So this is how you draw, using circle command to do this.